This is the video about managing the funding source for customer. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Click on the Administration tab. Next, click Branch Management. Select the branch name. At the submenu on the left, select Customers. Click on the drop-down arrow beside the customer name. You will then see an alert message in red. Click on the Edit button, and you will see an Edit Customer form on the right. Select a funding source. Click Save once you have selected a funding source. The funding source has now been added. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos suggested that you can also watch.